Alright, so these are my plants that I cut 3 weeks ago. This was the parent plant, and I've cut this, and these are my cuttings, which they're starting to root. What I did was I took these cuttings and I removed some of the leaves, so it would give it something to, when I stick it in the ground, something to stay. And this shows how tough these plants really are. I pulled these leaves off and I just left them on the bench because they're starting to grow. There's roots and a whole new plant starting to grow out of this one leaf. So not only can I take tip cuttings, I can also take leaf cuttings. And I think that's a really neat thing. It shows how strong, how these plants really are. There's another kind that's starting to do the same thing. This cactus. This one's got a little spinier, so it's easier to, doesn't poke as much as the little ones. But this was growing right on top, like that. I took a knife, boop, and now we'll have 2 plants. So this one isn't throwing any roots yet, but put it in some soil, give it a little TLC, and I think it will grow.